How to fix Credit Karma app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Credit Karma app if it's not working properly. So there may be various reasons as to why your Credit Karma app is not working. So the first and foremost reason may be your internet connection. Since Credit Karma is an app that requires a stable internet connection to function, if you don't have a stable internet connection, sometimes the app will not work. So first of all, check your internet connection and maybe try switching from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi, or if you're on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Now doing that, your problem may be solved, but if it still doesn't, go to your app store and then search for Credit Karma. Now tap on the option Intuit Credit Karma and then make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes if your app is not updated to the latest version, some features may be restricted, which may cause your app to not function properly. So make sure your app is updated to the latest version. After that, if your problem is still there, simply go to your settings, general, iPhone storage, and then search for Credit Karma. Now tap on the option offload app and then reinstall the Credit Karma app. Now in most cases, this will definitely solve your problem, but if your problem is still there, what you can do as a final resort is simply delete the app entirely from your phone and then reinstall it by going to your app store. So those are basically the ways on how you can fix your Credit Karma app if it's not working properly. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.